Hi, this is Shannon. May is my bestie, and I know her design quite well. And she texts me and says, since you're in town, why don't you check out a different style? Sure, why not? Hello. Hi, Daphne.
Hi, Shannon.
Daphne is the designer of this condo. So Daphne, what would you say the theme of this condo is? What kind of theme?
When the owner came to me,
Yes.
actually he just wanted a hotel feel.
Yes.
So other than that, his requirement was that he likes using dark wood.
So that's why I can see many darker colors here.
What I told him was a hotel feel doesn't have any bare walls. Yes, so we use a lot of textures.
Yes.
In the floor, in the furniture, and also as a lighting. To feel luxurious, you
Yes.
need to feel spacious. So how do you get the space out when there's so many bare windows? Let's take a look at the kitchen.
Sure.
So this kitchen was actually built on a bay window.
Oh, that's right. Bay
Yes.
window.
So if you notice, you have
Yes.
storage here,
Okay.
but this one is a fake door.
Oh. Oh, this is a fake one. Couldn't use because of this is a bay window.
Yes.
I see.
Yes,
So
hidden.
everything is hidden. You won't see so many stuff. So you will feel the kitchen is very clean, very nice and neat and tidy. I like that.
So the owner asked for an English library feel. So as we continue discussion for the design, we chose to have it cladded with dark wood panels. Yes, and we added the fluted panels and rose gold trimmings as well, and more storage on the bay window.
Wow, this is the baby's room. May I understand why in Singapore so many bay window?
That's the story behind it.
Yeah?
So it has to do with the taxes.
Yes.
So what happened was that during a period, within this period of time,
Yes.
there were many apartments built with bay windows because the government did not tax on the bay windows.
The government did not tax on the bay window.
Yes. So they were only taxed on the size of the apartment,
Oh.
excluding the bay windows. But when the developer sells you the house, he sells you at a price including the bay windows.
What?
So to fully utilize the space in the apartment, we had to build a lot of furniture on the bay window. So this bed is actually built on the bay window. So that's actually storage.
Wow, more storage.
Yes.
How good it is. You know, children have so many toys.
Yeah. So they need to have a king size bed. They need to have a dresser, and they need a wardrobe of about 7 to 8.
You mean within such a small space, you need to
Yes.
put a
Okay.
king size bed
Yes.
and the wardrobe
And dresser
and dresser
and storage.
and storage.
Yes.
How would that possible?
We made it possible somehow. Yeah. The bed is actually sitting on the bay window.
Oh, really?
Yes. But in order to make that possible, we also had to construct a platform to bring the height
That's
up
why-
so that
that's
all the
why.
ergonomics are comfortable.
Yes, that's why you feel like that. We have a platform to step up. So
Yes.
that is the reason. All right. Okay, so this bathroom also step down.
Yes.
And then the space actually is pretty nice because consider this is a very small condo, right? I must say I'm very impressed with this design. With such a limited space and you create a very spacious, comfortable and hotel feeling.
Thank you. So if you like the design, please check out our website.
And social media.
Yes.